Hi friends, you are watching Top 7. Today we are going to discuss 7 most beautiful mountain ranges in the world. So let's begin. Number 7. Southern New Zealand Alps. Want to see the best view of the Milky Way on Earth? Come to Mountain Cook National Park, where the Oroki Mackenzie International Dark Sky Reserve, biggest in the world, means zero light pollution and the biggest stargazer. From anywhere within 100 miles, Mt. Cook stands out as the tallest peak among the alpine region of the South Island. Seeing New Zealand's mountain range from a helicopter is one of the best ways to appreciate the peak's beauty and dramatic scale. Number 6. Italian Dolomites. The Dolomites are unique among mountain ranges, jutting straight up chimney-like in surprising towers, spires and pinnacles. Their rosy glow at dusk is so captivating as to have coined its adjective in Italian. Number 5. Himalayas of Nepal. Mostly inaccessible, the Great Himalayan region features a huge line of dozens of snowy peaks averaging over 20,000 feet. One of the youngest mountain ranges on Earth is also world's highest above sea level, crowned by Mount Everest. Sharply up in numbers, nearly 3/4 million people visited Nepal in 2016, according to Himalayan Times. Number 4. Sierra Nevada in California. The Californian mountain range is packed with superlative, including Yosemite National Park, celebrated for its waterfalls, granite walls, and dunes. More Sierra Nevada awe-inducing sights include the giant redwood, Earth's most massive trees, and the Mountain Whitney, the highest peak in America's lower 48 states. Also within number 3. Andes of Latin America. From Venezuela to Chile, 50 volcanoes dot the 4,300 miles of the world's longest mountain range, also one of the tallest on Earth. The mystery and marvel of a 15th century Incan century, Machu Picchu attracts masses of tourists to the 1.5-mile high destination appeal. Tourism and guided adventures are established in some places such as the legendary Patagonia. Number 2. Swiss Alps. As the symbol of Switzerland, the pyramid-shaped Matterhorn is said to be the world's most photographed mountain. Hearty visitors can ride to the top of the world boarding an aerial cable car in Zermatt to reach the Alps' highest mountain station, more than 12,500 feet above sea level. Alternatively, a 45-minute ride on Gornet Great Bahn, the world's first cog railway, reaches 10,134 feet to take in 29 magnificent snow-covered peaks and 7 glaciers. The Glacier Express train, a far more comfortable, nevertheless spectacular journey, crosses 291 bridges and takes 8 hours between Zermatt and St. Moritz. Number 1. Canadian Rockies. Carved from waste glaciers covered with pines and firs and bottoms out with gorgeous lakes, these snow-topped peaks are magnificent and imposing. One of the best ways to explore the splendor of Canadian Rockies near Banff, Jasper, and Lake Louise in Alberta is to depart from Vancouver for a 2-day excursion via the Deluxe Rocky Mountain Trail.